Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error whenever you are connecting your Servlet or JSP program with JDBC. So let's start the video. So here I have created one simple web application with few HTML and Servlet files. So these are my HTML file input.html which is going to ask user about sign in and sign up. And then in sign in, I'm going to take username and password, and then I'm going to check whether this username and password is matching or not in the database, and that task will be done by my login servlet. And here you can see I have written code for login servlet, and this code is doing what? It is establishing connectivity with a database, and it is checking if the login is successful, then it is redirecting me to success.html, and if the login is failed, then again it is going to ask me what? Username and password. And in success.html I'm just trying to print what? Login successful. Another HTML file I am having as signup.html where I am taking all the details from user and then I am calling signup servlet. And in my signup servlet, again I am having code related to JDBC which is going to insert my data to my table. So it is establishing connectivity with my database. It is inserting the record, and if the record or sign up is done successful, then it is going to redirect me to signin.html. Otherwise, it is going to redirect me to signup.html again. I have done all the setting as well as I have added MySQL connector.jar file, and you can see path it is showing as my desktop path. So now I'll quickly run this signin.html to check whether my login is done successfully or not. So I'm just starting my server and I'm just running. So here I'm entering my username. I have already created database and table. So this video is for how to fix error, not for creating this user registration form page. I'm going to create separate video on that. So now I'm entering proper username and password and I'm clicking on login button. But you can see here I got exception java.lang class not found exception, and it is showing me driver class not found, and driver class is there in a package com.mysql.cj.jdbc, as well as it is showing me error on server console also. You can check out here com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver not found. But I have added this connector, and in this connector I'm having this package. So com.mysql.cj.jdbc package is there, also driver class is there. Then why it is showing me error that class not found? Let me tell you reason for this. Because the connector which I have added is there on my desktop, and this application will be deployed or run on your server. So it won't be able to refer your desktop data. Now I will show you how you can resolve this error. But before that, let me delete this connector which is there on my desktop. So I'll go to JRE, build path, configure build path. And from here, I'm going to select this and I'm going to just remove this. Okay, apply and close. Fine. Now for this, we have to put this connector.jar file in the server library. You can see here we have server runtime. So this is an environment where all the required libraries are available for running your Servlet application. So I'm going to put my library over here. So for that, you have to copy your connector.jar file and you have to put in the lib folder of a server. So how to do that? Let me show you. So here is my connector.jar file. So I'm just going to copy this connector.jar file, and then I'm going to my C drive. In that there is Apache folder, Apache Tomcat 10.0.6, which is the latest version, and here I'm having lib, and then I'll just paste this. So you can see MySQL connector.jar file I have pasted in lib folder of Apache Tomcat server. I'll go to Eclipse again and let me see whether it is showing me connector or not. So you can see it is not showing me connector. I need to refresh my project. So right click and then you can select option as refresh. And here you can see MySQL connector file has been added. So now I'm going to run my sign in page again. So here I'm selecting run as, run on server and finish. Okay, so now my page has started. I'm going to enter my username. I'm going to enter my password and then I'll click on login button. and you can see it is showing me login successful, which was the line which I wrote in my success.html. So let me show you success.html file also, which is having what login successful message, and there is no error on console also. So I just close console. Let me show you again. So you can see the error which I was getting, class not found, has been resolved. So whenever you are doing Solid or JSP project, you need to always put your jar file inside the lib folder of server, then only you can run your application. I hope friend this video is going to help you if you are trying to solve this type of error. I conclude my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, then be sure to hit on like button. Also, you can comment in comment box and let me know whether you were able to resolve the error successfully or not. And most valuable is friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it to support me and my channel. Thank you friends for watching my video. See you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.